Alright, so today we're going to talk about SonarLint, which is a free and open source IDE extension that identifies and helps you fix quality and security issues in your code. Talking about its history, during 2006, Freddie Mallet realizes that code quality management it starts to become a critical activity in software development. In 2007, Simon Brandhoff starts developing the Sonar platform by integrating best-of-breed open source tools for Java. In November 2008, SonarSauce was founded to accelerate development and adoption of this open source Sonar platform. And today, it provides a world-class solution to manage code quality and code security. Also, Sonar Source's products like SonarLint are used by more than 295,000 organizations around the globe. The purpose of SonarLint is to be a code quality assurance tool that collects and analyzes source code and provides reports for the code quality of your project. SonarLint can detect bugs, offer instant feedback of your code, and let you know what to do. Its purpose on DevSecOps is to help during the code activities before code checked into version control. This means that SonarLint helps you generate code as secure as possible with high quality during pre-commit process in the code phasing. How it works. SonarLint is a free IDE extension that can be used in IntelliJ or VS Code or another IDE. An important aspect is when you open a new code file, SonarLint shows markers that automatically appear on quality issues. Also, when you're coding, issues appears as you type. And maybe the most important aspect of SonarLint is that it can help you learn about vulnerabilities by using error descriptions that come with the issue detection. Now let's pass to an example. I have this prepared. It's a simple project with Express and Passport as dependencies. This code I took it from the Hello World example of Express and the local example for Passport. And as you can see, apparently there's nothing wrong with this code. But now let's install the extension for SonarLint. It's just very simple. You just search in VS Code and hit install. All right. So now let's restart VS Code because I think it's not recognizing the tool. So once we have reopened VS Code, now we can see that SonarLint is telling us that this issue exists. This part of the code is generating an issue. It says create a new session during user authentication to prevent session fixation attacks. We don't know what that is, so we can hit quick fix and open description for this rule. And we can see that we see an explanation of the attack, the vulnerability, and we can see that this is a critical vulnerability. We can see an example that is likely what we have here, and we can see how we can give a solution for this vulnerability. To finalize this video, let me show you this documentation page for Sonar. Here we have the vulnerability that we just encountered. It's the same. A new session should be created during user authentication. This is the same documentation that we can see in VS Code, but we also can see where it's available. This rule is available in SonarLint, SonarCloud, and SonarCube. SonarCube is a server where we can analyze our code. So if we can get the most, if we wanna get the most out of Sonar, we wanna use SonarCube with SonarLint. SonarCube gives us extra rules, and we also can detect bugs, security hotspots, and hotspots. Another important thing about SonarLint and SonarCube is that it works not only with JavaScript, but with other major languages like Java, PHP, Python, and Ruby. So I invite you to dive deep in the subject and to try not only SonarLint but also SonarCube to get the full potential of the tool.